You can add parts to a quote via File Upload. Using the CAD Files button in the Global Action Bar, you can upload DXF, DWG, STEP, PDF, or NC1 files. Then, you can clean up geometry and adjust properties to quote the part. Let's start with the DXF file. Drag and drop, or choose Select Files. Now, let's clean up the file. That means removing extra entities not necessary for profiling the part. First, check the file name. An orange triangle icon indicates there are open contours. Next, check the part count. This shows a part count of 12, but there's only one part in the preview. This file needs geometry cleanup. There are 3 ways to clean up files: Layers, the Remove dropdown, and the DXF editor to edit the file itself. Let's try Layers. For this file, deselecting layers does not isolate the part. Next, let's try the Remove dropdown. Removing the title block and text helps. Let's keep going. Select Edit DXF. If you've used CAD editing software, this might feel familiar. You can select an element and delete it. Or, if you choose Ignore, the element will remain visible, but grayed out and not included in the part. To isolate the part faster, click and drag to highlight it, then choose Keep to discard everything that is not selected. Make a mistake? Choose the exclamation mark to reset the file. The editor shows external contours with a black line and internal contours with a pink line. The toothed edge is being read as an internal contour. Select it and choose Outside. Everything outside of the green line will be ignored. Everything inside of the green line will be kept and treated as an internal contour. Let's choose Done and check our work. Great! The open contour icon is gone, and the part count is 1. Geometry cleanup is complete. Let's adjust properties. Here, you can change your machine, material, thickness, and quantity. You can also edit the part name, which is different from your file name. Imagine the length and width were off. Or, maybe the part's at an angle, but needs to be grain constrained with a vertical orientation. Maybe the file was an imperial, but you need it in metric. You can still access Edit DXF on the Properties page to rotate, scale, or convert the units. All set? Choose Finish to add the parts to the quote.